Hi, good morning, guys. So today, what you're going to be doing is learning about the labor unions and the labor movement. And so you want, of course, go into Canvas, go to Progressive Era, and this might make it a little easier for you to fill stuff out. So go ahead and go to down here, Labor Movement and Rise of Unions note sheet, and click on that. And then um, what I do is click on this. I'll make it bigger for you. And then go over here, back here, and then click the previous button. So I just went back to this other tab and the previous button, and it'll take me into the Nearpod. So, okay, and then I can just join session and start taking the notes. And so then I'll just go through and fill this out. So it goes this way, and there's a short little video, fill in some blanks. Okay, and then it's gonna go, that goes down here, goes here, and then here. Okay, and then that's, oh, kind of, sorry, got cut off right there. Okay, but that's what you're going to do today. And just in case you didn't know, the history of April Fool's Day, it actually goes back to the French when they changed calendars. And it used to be the beginning of the year was around April 1st. And so when they did the switch and started doing the beginning of the new year in January, some people in like more remote parts of France didn't realize that they had switched calendars, and they were celebrating New Year's Day April 1st still. So they called them April Fools because they were celebrating the new year that day. So that's the history of April Fool's Day, just in case you didn't know. So I hope you guys have a great day, just so you know kind of what to prepare for the rest of this week too. So you're doing the Nearpod today. Tomorrow there'll just be a really short assignment about Joe Hill, because you'll need to know him for your test as well. I'm also going to put up the Progressive Era quizzes so you can go through and practice for the test, because then Friday you'll work on your hoop project, and then after spring break you'll have your Progressive Era test. So we'll make sure that you guys are ready for that. Okay, all right, thank you guys for emailing me, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help you out. Okay, have a great day.